Hello everyone, welcome back to Bharat Signage. Today we are going to see how we can play music, background music with the videos, with the images. Okay, so first of all, we have to create one layout here and I will put some videos. Okay, I'm going to put these videos to my layout with the whole screen. Then I'm going to add one music, content, audios. Then I will choose what music I want to play. I can choose from here anything. Select it. The audio will be selected here. Okay, you can see what music you are playing. Select it. Now, this is my Android screen. As you can see, this is my Android screen. Now, I had already add the music. I can also add one image here, but currently I'm not going to put an image. Go to the My Apps, Content, and Interactive Widgets. You can use the WhatsApp QR code as well, where you can write your phone number and your message. I'm going to save this file, click on Action, and publish now. Now my screen is downloading all the contents and it started playing. Okay, this is the music it's currently playing. You can hide this UI. Okay, I will show you by increasing the volume. You can currently you are not listening the music because I am recording the screen, but you can hide the UI as well to play the music in the background. See, if you want to hide this one as well, you have to make it transparency 0, action, and publish now. See, nothing is visible on the screen, but music is still playing, as well as your QR code is showing on your digital sign screen. Thank you so much.